Hello. Now, if you had generated text or charts in Claude AI and you wish to find them, or you're struggling with how to find them, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your previous charts in Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you go ahead and log into Claude AI, you might meet this interface just the same as I have here. To find your previous text, you need to go ahead and expand first this sidebar. So if you expand this sidebar, you can see we have here your recent charts. However, if you can't see these recent charts, you can go ahead and just tap on charts, and this will list all the charts that you have previously created. And as you can see, I have all my charts that I created on Claude AI here. To see or open any of the previous chart, go ahead and just tap on it, and this will open all the text on this chart. So that's how you can find and open your previous charts on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.